Hi, Andy Neat here from Phoenix Contact UK and welcome to Efficiency TV. Now today I've got a special guest for you and I'm going to hand you over to him right now.
Hi, I'm James here from Phoenix Contact Logistics UK.
Here in the UK, we can build DIN rails for your control cabinet in our VAC centre.
We can also help you design or export these drawings from your current ECAD systems. By delivering rails which are ready to go directly into your cabinet, this can help save you time and help with your heavy workflow. Also, we have a high standard in quality control and service to prevent errors in your cabinet build. You can also print custom markers for your terminals and cables too. And these are just a few ways that we can help with your efficiency in cabinet building.